The journey of pregnancy usually comprises of 1 to 40 weeks. So guys, in this video, we are going to learn everything right from your first week till the 40th week of pregnancy. So guys, be with me, not skip anywhere so that you get the full information. So let's get started. The first week of pregnancy gets started right from your last LMP, that is your last menstrual period. So since the time from your last LMP till 1 week ahead is the first week of pregnancy, it will be quite strange to know that the week first of pregnancy has already started, but still you have not ovulated. In the second week of your pregnancy, this is the actual time when you are going to ovulate. The female egg, that is known as ovum, comes out of ovary and slides down to the fallopian tube. There it rests and waits for the male sperm to fertilize it. Now out of lakhs and millions of sperms, only one sperm, that is the most strongest, rapid and agile, will enter this ovum and fertilize this egg. So as soon as that strongest sperm enters the ovum, the process of baby formation starts right from this point. The ovum, that is the female egg, now starts fertilizing. In the week 3rd of pregnancy, this fertilized egg will slide down from fallopian tube to the uterus and it will implant itself to the wall of the uterus, and this process is known as implantation. Now the baby has started developing in the uterus, and this time the baby is known with the name of zygote. The gender of the baby, the appearance, the skin color, the hair, the eye color, everything is decided in this 3rd week of pregnancy. In the 4th week of pregnancy, the baby is known as embryo, and embryo is divided into two parts. One part is known as placenta and the other half is known as the part that will actually form the baby in the coming months. Placenta is the only source of nutrients and oxygen to the baby via the umbilical cord. In the 4th week of pregnancy, the brain starts developing. Also in this week, the neural tube and the spinal cord of the baby starts developing. In the 5th week, the baby is still very small and can only be seen with the help of the ultrasound. In the 6th week, the baby has grown 3 folds, and also via the ultrasound, the heartbeat of the baby can easily be heard. In this week, the rate of the heartbeat of baby is very high. It is almost double that of an adult. It ranges anywhere between 150 to 155 BPM. In the 7th week, some facial parts of the baby starts developing, like the eyes, the mouth and the ear. Also, the baby's brain starts developing in a good pace. The nerve cells inside the baby's brain are developing at a very high rate. Nerve cells are developing at the rate of 1 lakh cells per minute. In the 8th week, the baby has grown now 4 folds. The features of the baby are quite clear. The nose, the ear, the eyes can be easily seen and has taken the shape as well. The baby's heart is also getting stronger day by day. In the 9th week, the reproductive system of baby starts developing. The gallbladder and the pancreas of baby starts forming in the 9th week. The head of the baby is bent inwards towards the chest. The size of the baby's head is almost twice the size of the body. The palm and the fingers have started taking their shape. This is 10th week. Now the baby will be called fetus instead of embryo. This is because now it looks more like a baby of a human being. The structure of the fingers can be easily seen. The bones of the baby are getting stronger. This is the time when the baby's kidney starts functioning and the baby has started urinating inside the womb. The brain is still developing at a very fast pace. Now the rate of creation of neurons has increased 2 times, that is approximately 2.5 lakhs per minute. Not only the fingers of the hand but also the fingers of the leg can be easily seen distinctively. This is the 11th week and the baby has started breathing. The baby will swallow the amniotic fluid via the breathing motion and will get the nutrients required by the baby's body. By the action of urinating, the baby will put back the amniotic fluid to the amniotic sac, and this is how the baby maintains the amniotic fluid level in the womb. The baby will put back that amount of fluid while urinating, and this process needs to be very balanced, else there could be problem like polyhydramnios, which is a critical situation. So if the baby is breathing well and also urinating well, that means that this balance is well maintained. The lungs of the baby are getting stronger due to his breathing process. The structure of the ear by now is quite clear. In 12th week of pregnancy, the baby started gaining weight. The baby has started getting bulkier, and so you can feel the stretching sensation in your skin. The baby has also started the motion. However, you will not be able to feel it for some more following weeks. The baby by now is also able to close and open his fingers. In 13th week, the structure of eye by now is quite well defined. The position of the eyes are now transitioned from sideways face to the front, and the baby has started looking more like a human being now. The arms are in right proportion to the baby's body. However, the legs are still growing and they will come in proportion to the body in few weeks ahead. In 14th week, all the essential organs of baby are now formed. If the baby is female, her ovaries are by now created and has started moving towards pelvis. In 15th week of pregnancy, very fine hair has come on the body of the baby that will give the baby the required temperature inside the womb. These fine hair will go away automatically when it is the time for the baby's delivery. In the 16th week, the bones of the baby starts getting stronger. Except for the baby's head, rest of the bones will get stronger. However, the bone of the head will be flexible so that the baby can come out from the pelvis easily. If the baby is a girl, then thousands and lakhs of female eggs have started forming in the ovaries. In 17th week, the legs and the hand of the baby are in right proportion to his body. This is the time by when the placenta size and the baby size will be almost similar. The umbilical cord that connects placenta to the baby is fully developed by now, and it is acting as a filter for providing the nutrition and oxygen from placenta to the baby. This is the 18th week. By now, the ear has grown up properly and the baby has started listening properly, and the hearing ability of the baby has increased many folds. So during this week, the baby is hearing the blood that is flowing in the umbilical cord. Not only this, the baby can also hear your breath, and also the baby can hear the sounds from outside the womb. So if you are talking to someone, then definitely this time the baby has started hearing your voice as well. In the 19th week, a greasy layer that is known as vernix cassosa started forming on the body of the baby. This coating will protect the baby's skin from the amniotic fluid. Also, this coating will help maintaining the temperature of the baby inside the womb. In the coming weeks, this vernix cassosa coating will get thicker and it will help protect your baby from the variation in temperature. When your baby will be delivered, this coating will be removed from his body when the baby will be given the first bath or the cleaning. This is the 20th week and the baby is very strong this time. The movements of the baby has increased, and this is the time when you can feel the first kick by the baby. The hair are there in place in baby's body, like on the scalp. The eyebrows are in place. The overall appearance the baby will look like is almost final in this week. This is the 21st week and the baby is very strong. By now, his digestive system is working properly and he has started intaking the amniotic fluid, and via the amniotic fluid, the baby is taking the required nutrients. The baby is developing and gaining weight at very fast speed now. In 22nd week, the skin has started getting opaque. So it had been translucent so far, but now the skin has started getting opaque. The baby has started touching and sensing the things. And with this new skill of touching and sensing, the baby can touch anything that will come in his hand, like the umbilical cord or his face, and try to get the experience of these things. The baby's hairline has started showing up. This week, the hair will start growing on the scalp, but there is variation from baby to baby in this process. So some baby will take birth with lots of hair. However, some baby will take birth without hair on their head. So it totally depends. This is the 23rd week and the brain and the lungs of baby are developing at a very fast speed. In 24th week, the baby is very strong. The movements by baby are aggressive. Baby has started hearing everything from inside and outside properly. So if you are making noise or if you are making a sound, the baby can react accordingly. One thing to mention here, the baby has heard you most throughout the journey in the womb. So there is no surprise that the baby will have a separate or a different affiliation with you, because he or she has heard you most. So this is the reason why the baby have a special affection towards the mother. In the 25th week of pregnancy, the baby has started bowel movements in the intestine, and this will be discarded once the baby get delivered. In 26th week of pregnancy, the sleeping pattern of baby has been developed. The baby has a pattern of sleeping, the time of the sleeping, and if you are fortunate, the sleeping time of the baby and you will match, and if you are unlucky, then definitely be ready to face those sleepless nights. In 27th week of pregnancy, the baby takes a lot of hiccups, and this you can feel via a kind of vibration from inside, and these hiccups are due to the involuntary contraction of the diaphragm. This is the 28th week and the baby will start opening and closing the eyes. In 29th week, the baby has started moving a lot with lots of energy. You may feel a lot of kick in this time, and the baby by now is quite brainy, and most of the sensory organs are working properly. Like whatever you are eating, the baby can feel it, he can dislike it or like it. The baby can sense the sound very clearly and can react to them. Baby has also started reacting towards the light and the intensity. So if the intensity or the sharpness of light is more, then the baby can behave differently, and if it's dark, then the baby will behave differently. This is the 30th week and the baby is developing at a very fast speed. Following this week, the baby will put on weight at the rate of 1 pound per week, and the maximum fat he will accumulate will go in the formation of the cheek. So as in the following week, the baby will get bulkier and there will be a space constraint in the womb for his or her movements. So do not get surprised and do not panic if your baby is not giving you that kind of movement or kicks that he or she used to give earlier. But definitely you need to track the movements every hour. In case you feel no movements or very less movement, you need to contact your doctor as soon as possible. In 31st week also, the baby is developing at very great speed. The height and the weight is increasing week by week, and the reproductive system of the baby is also developing and getting stronger. In 32nd week, the baby is almost grown up properly. All the necessary organs are in place and working, except for the brain and the lungs. All the other organs are functioning very well. So in case the baby is delivered in the 32nd week, then the chances are there that the baby will survive and will have no problem in the future. In 33 week, the baby has grown up very bulky. The movements are very less, and you may feel that the baby is not that much active, but definitely you need to be very proactive in monitoring the movements of the baby. So in case you are not feeling the movements, you need to try hard so that you can excite the baby to give movements. What you can do is simply eat something sweet or something sour. Baby also often react when there is a loud sound from outside. So this thing you can also try, or you can try by focusing a strong light on your stomach, so that if the baby is sleeping and that's why the baby is inactive, the baby wake up and give you a movement. This is the 34th week and the baby by now is almost ready to come outside and see the new world. The greasy coating that was there we have already talked about, that is known as vernix caseosa, is now very thicker. This coating will act as a moisturizer and as a lubrication when it is the time for the baby's delivery. It will make the process frictionless. It will try to reduce the friction in the process when the baby is coming out from the womb. This is the 35th week of pregnancy, and by now the baby should be in right position so that the normal delivery can take place. And the right position is anterior position, wherein the baby's head is down and fixed to the pelvis region. The baby's face should face towards your back with his limbs bended inwards the chest. Similarly, the baby's head is also bending towards the chest. So this is the best position for the normal delivery. So by now, if the baby is in this position, then the chances of normal delivery are very high. In case the baby has not come in this position, then the chances of C-section increases. This is the 36th week of pregnancy. The baby is getting bulkier and bulkier, and this fat that he or she is gaining will help maintaining the body temperature. In 37th week of pregnancy, the antibodies come out from the umbilical cord and reaches the baby. The baby is making himself or herself ready for the delivery, and these antibodies the baby has got from the umbilical cord will help him or her fighting any infection disease when the baby will come out after delivery in the new world. By now, the eyesight of the baby has also grown up properly. This is the 38th week of pregnancy, and the baby is completely developed and in a position that if your delivery happens, then the baby is all fit and fine to survive in the world with all the organs working properly. All his sensory organs are working properly. He is breathing properly via lungs. His brain is fully grown up. His digestive system is working properly. And this is the time when baby can push you in labor anytime and you can give birth to the baby. This is the 39th week of pregnancy. By now, the weight of the baby should be anywhere in the range of 6 to 9 pounds, and the height should be in the range of 18 to 22 inches. If you are fortunate, then by now the baby should have come in the right position, that is the anterior position, wherein the head is fixed to the pelvis, head is bending inwards towards the chest, with the limbs also bending inwards towards the chest, and the baby's face is towards your back. So if this is the position, then you are really fortunate, then the normal delivery can take place very easily. However, if this is not the position, then the second position is when the baby's face is not towards your back but towards your stomach. So this position is known as occipital or cephalic posterior condition. In both of these situations, the chances of normal delivery are very high. However, if these are not the situation with you, then the chances of C-section, that is a cesarean, increases. So guys, this is the 40th week, that is technically the last week of pregnancy. You can have the labor pain anytime. Kindly be watchful of this labor pain and the signs. I have another video on it, how to identify your labor pain and how to distinguish it from the false labor pain. So guys, you have to be very cautious when your expected due date is approaching. This time the baby can give you labor pain anytime and you can go in labor and can deliver the baby. And as already told you, since the baby has heard you most throughout the journey inside the womb, there is no surprise when the baby will come out and hear your voice clearly. Do not be astonished if he or she tries to look twice at you, because the well-functioning brain of the baby says that this is the person I have heard most and this is the only person who has taken care of me in the 9th month of pregnancy. So guys, this was all about from first week till the 40th week of pregnancy. Hope you have gained the whole information and liked the video. If you like the video, kindly press the like button. If you are new visited to my channel, do not forget to subscribe the channel and press the bell icon so that you get notified of all the upcoming video on pregnancy. So guys, let's catch up in another interesting video on pregnancy. Till then, stay happy, stay healthy.